Hi and welcome to Science Desk. In today's video, we will have a short discussion on light. We will be seeing few properties of light and what are the sources of light. We will see them one by one. Light or visible light is within the portion of electromagnetic spectrum that can be perceived through eyes. The speed of light is dependent on the properties of medium and light travels in straight line. In the below image, you can see the light is traveling in straight line. There are various experiments that prove light travels in straight line. What are the various sources of light? Sources refers to the objects that have the ability to produce light. Natural resources, objects that have the ability to emit light on their own. Example, sun, stars, these are naturally having the ability to emit the light. Then comes artificial resources. These objects are artificial or man-made and these emit light. Example, tube light, the projector light, laser point. All of these are man-made artificial objects that have the ability to emit light source. Luminous and non-luminous objects. As the term says, the objects that act as a source of light are called luminous objects. As discussed before, sun, stars comes under luminous objects. They don't depend on the other sources of light because they emit on their own. Non-luminous objects. These objects does not act as a source of light and they depend on the other objects or the luminous objects for their light resources. Example, you can see a man. He is not a luminous object and he depends on the other luminous objects to visualize. Example, planets and then moon are non-luminous objects in space. They depend on the luminous resources. Let's see a simple example. How are you able to see a man on a warm sunny day? Is man a source of light? No, man is not a source of light because he is a non-luminous object. Then how will I be able to see him on a warm sunny day? Yes, because the light ray from the sun, which is a luminous object, will be incident on him. Since he is an opaque object, he will reflect some of his light and this reflected light enables us to see this object. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or comments, please write in the comment section. If you really like this video, find this short and simple, please do like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Science Desk.